How to change Discord group name or server name. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Discord group name or server name. For that, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type discord.com. This is the official website of Discord. Now once you type in this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here at the top, you will find Open Discord. Here make sure you are logged into your Discord account. Now once you click on this Open Discord, you will access your Discord account. Here in this page, at the top left, you will find your server. Click on your server, and once you open it, here just below text channels, you will see the server or the group name. You need to click on this gear icon at the right side that says Edit Channel. Now once you click on it, you will reach to this page. Here under Overview section, you will see the channel name. Here you need to click on it and press the backspace to remove the current channel or the group name. And now you can enter the new one. Here once you have entered the new one, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom right to save the changes. Now once you click on it, click on the ESC button or the cross button at the top, and once you do so, in this section under text channels, you will find your newly updated group name. So this is how you can change Discord group or server name. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.